Two major airlines facing labor issues. United pilots rejecting a contract deal that would have given them a 15% raise over the next year and a half. But the union says the deal fell short of what the pilots deserve. Now, the Airline Pilots Association saying in a statement that roughly 94% of them voted against the agreement. Meanwhile, Delta pilots voting to authorize a strike if contract negotiations between the airline and its union do not yield an agreement. Now, the union represents almost 15,000 of the Atlanta-based carrier's pilots and says nearly all of them cast their ballots in favor of the strike. Earlier said than done, however, as under U.S. law, pilots cannot walk off the job without permission from the National Mediation Board. So a story we'll continue to watch, said Delta shares under pressure today.